there, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be helping you learn how to follow someone on Poshmark account. If you're looking for a way to follow someone on Poshmark, then here is how you can do it. Start off by opening up a web browser and go to poshmark.com inside the URL box and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Poshmark account by entering your credentials. After you're inside the main home page, go ahead and click on this listings drop down and click on people. Search for the people by entering their name in the text box. Once you find the list of the people according to your search, go ahead and click the follow button right next to their username. Once you click on the follow button, you'll be following them immediately. So that is how you can easily follow someone on Poshmark. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.